Hey Bill, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone yesterday and I told you that I was going to be sending you out the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I want to go through one of your competitors' sites really quickly. And then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out, and often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. So here I am on your home page, which actually looks really good. It seems like you guys invested some time or some money into this. However, as you can see, there's not very much content on here. And so Google's going to be ranking your site based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. And so you want to have 1,000 to 1,500 words on this home page. And I did a word counter search. You guys have 308 words right now. So we definitely want to add some more content, and we want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to come through and they're going to read everything, and they are going to deem whether or not your content will help their users find the information or the services that they're looking for. So, in addition to that, we also want that content to be filled with the appropriate amount of high volume relevant keywords so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. And so over here, I'm on Google. The keyword I will be using for today's video is mold remediation Dayton OH. This is a really good keyword. It brings in around 150 searches per month. So if you were to just get a few of those as customers a month, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so below the search bar up here at the top is typically where we would see our Google ads. There are not any popping up at the moment, but Google ads are a really good way to get some brand recognition, get your name out there, especially while you are waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if you don't know what you're doing, you can actually waste a lot of money on these. But if you do, then you can get things moving pretty quickly. And so right below where the ads are, now here up at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so in order to make it to one of these top 3 spots to get you on the first page of Google, you have to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on local directories all over the web. So think Yelp, think Yellow Pages, think Yext. Those are all examples of high-powered, highly used, highly trusted directories. And so you want to be on as many of those as you can, and you want to definitely be on more of them than these 3 businesses right here. And so right below over here, we have our organic search results. And so this is the number one place you want to focus your attention on. And this is because Google has come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they are going to click on one of these organic search results. And so this is going to be your best return on investment over time. So right here, this is the number one company page that pops up. So we can go through. I did a word counter search on this company as well, and they have 1,507 words. So they're right there where they need to be content-wise, but it's not unbeatable. We could just make the content better quality. And the number one way you're actually going to get up here on these organic search results is basically going to be through getting shout outs from other websites. So, and these are called backlinks. So the web is basically made up of businesses linking businesses and websites linking websites. So you want to get as many of these shout outs or backlinks from as many high powered, relevant, preferably local websites as you can. So think a local plumbing company or a local real estate agent. If they were to give you a backlink from their website, that would be a really good way to bring more power to your site. And so over here, I've jumped onto ahrefs.com, Ahrefs. This is a really good site. It is a little pricey. It runs me around $400 a month to use it. However, it gives you a lot of great content, a lot of good information. So right here, I typed in the competitor we were just looking at, and we can see that they have 269 backlinks from 125 different domains and are ranking for 878 keywords. So we can actually take a look at which keywords those are. And so right here on the left, we have the keyword that's listed. We can see how many people search for that keyword a month. We can see how much traffic they get from that keyword every month, and we can see what position they hold for that keyword on Google. And so we can go through and find the best buyer intent, high volume keywords that are relevant to your business, and we can decide which ones we want to use for your content. So now I'm going to go back, and what I'm going to do is do the exact same thing I just did with the keywords with the backlinks. And so right here on the left, it's going to pop up, it's going to be all the backlinks, and we want to go for the ones with a high DR, domain rating. So we can go through, see which ones we want to snag for your site. And we want to heavily beat out 249 backlinks, which is very doable, but do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services in one of the areas you provide that service. So we want to beat out all of your competitors in all the areas for all the different things you do. And so lastly, I pulled up your site. And so right now you guys have 7 backlinks from 4 domains and are ranking for 51 keywords. And so here we can kind of go through and see which ones. And so you guys are going for some good keywords, but you're not ranking for them. And that has a lot to do probably with the amount of content on your page and the amount of backlinks you have. So to kind of recap, what we talked about is number 1, we want to get some more content, quality educational content with the right amount of high volume relevant keywords. Number 2, we want to add some more citations to get you on the map pack. And then number 3, we want more high powered relevant backlinks. So that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this and got something out of it. If you're interested in learning more, please reach out to me. You can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So I hope you enjoyed and I hope to hear from you soon.